This is the PP-1621AL, fully automatic pallet stretch wrapper with cut, clamp, and wipe. This is the clamping device that holds the film, cutting device that cuts and wipes the film down. This features a 300% powered pre-stretch system, fully integrated HMI color touchscreen, you have speed control for the turntable, carriage speed, and pre-stretch speed control. The forklift operator simply loads the pallet onto the turntable, and then using the remote control starts the machine. Never has to get off the pallet. %300 pre-stretch, a 5,000 foot roll turns into 20,000 feet applied onto the load. So it's winding down, coming back to home position. Now you have a completed cycle.